these things in our life: action and inaction. That is why when the day ends and the night starts, the day and night are in balance. That time, the sunset time. So that is the best time for meditation, because the yin and yang in nature is balanced. Same way in the morning, when the night is finishing, early morning starts, yin and yang is balancing. So this is the time I light oil lamp in my house. Oil lamp I light in the morning time when I wake up. Evening time also 6 o'clock the sun goes, you light the oil lamp. Even if you don't have time for meditation, the lighting of the lamp, like in the Jewish culture, also so important. So the light is energy, so that like yin and yang, we try to balance. Same way in our body, the organs, the main organs are considered yin and yang. So the heart is the main organ here. Heart is all full organs are in organs. Like heart is a full organ, not empty. So heart is in, and the couple of heart is the small intestine, is the yang. So that is one couple. Another couple is the liver is in, and the empty organ is the gallbladder. You understand the words? So yeah, gallbladder is empty. So this is one couple. And then is the kidneys. Kidney is the yin, and the urinary bladder is the yang, and the spleen and pancreas is the yin, and the stomach is the yang. So like, and the lungs is the yin, and the large intestine is the yang. So like this, we have 5 pairs in our body. In Qigong, 5 pairs, and we are working with this 5 pairs all the time. We are working on ourselves, and this 5 pairs. One another very important thing is, when you go to any Shiva temple, you used to see the 9 planets. Do you remember? Navagrahas. When you see the Navagrahas, we call it the 9 planets, but they are not planets. They are, these 9 heavenly bodies influence us, and only these 9 influence our lives. One is Saturn. Saturn is the stomach, the solar plexus, Manipura chakra, Saturn. Then Jupiter, the liver. Venus, the lungs. Mercury, the kidneys. And Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Mars, the heart. So these 5 planets in Qigong also important. In Chinese philosophy, these 5 planets in Hinduism also important. Only these 5 planets. These 5 planets are in the Navagrahas. Then is the sun and the moon. The sun and the moon also influence us. Like full moon, the new moon, so they also influence us. And then the eclipses, like Ronnie said, the story of the eclipses, the lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. So these are the 9 planets. So it's not the 9 planets of the European planets. These are heavenly bodies. So the solar plexus, this place, Tiruvannamalai, the Manipura chakra is for Manipura chakra. This place, Tiruvannamalai, the fire. So here is a Manipura chakra, and there is a Saturn here. So this is a Saturn. So if you have any problem with your stomach, you meditate on the Saturn. It's the strongest planet that can influence our lives very much. Every person, when they live 29 years, complete one Saturn cycle. And then when you're 29, the Saturn comes to the same position, when it's like 29 and half or something, when you were born. So again, another Saturn cycle starts. So Saturn is the most important planet. That is why Saturn is Saturday, the day of Saturn. Sunday is for the sun. Monday is for the moon. Tuesday is for Mars. Wednesday is for Mercury. Thursday is for Jupiter. And Friday for Venus. So we have the days of the week also for these planets. So these planets and all influence our life. So when we do Qigong, we meditate on these planets, we meditate on these organs, and we smile at our organs. That's called the inner smile. So when we hold the hands, the 3 dantians, like the 7 chakras for yoga, in Qigong we have the lower dantian around the navel, lower dantian. This is the middle dantian, and this is the upper dantian. 3 dantians, like the 7 chakras they have. Here only 3. And the middle dantian here, sorry, this is the middle dantian. Lower dantian is the most important energy point. Japanese call it the hara, going all around. So this is like a reservoir where you can store energy. In your heart, you cannot store energy. Energy you take and it goes. You give and you come. But whenever you have extra energy, that is why in Qigong you always put it down so you can store it. It goes down and it is stored in the lower dantian. And this is the upper dantian, the third eye here. So when you are a baby in the stomach, our nose is all filled with mucus. The baby come out, the doctor is sucking. Only that we start breathing, isn't it? Babies from the stomach. Before that, we did not breathe with our stomach. So in Dantian, the embryonic breath is done through here. This point, very important. Here, then here, third eye, forehead, and the crown, and here, soul. So anytime you are sitting, you do like this. This point is like very important energy point. And when you're sitting at home, anytime meditation, it's like and this is called the embryonic breath. You are breathing to these places, not breathing. We learn pranayama and all many breaths, but this is the original breath of. That's why many people go and they can stop breathing and sometimes go under the earth and all because they are doing embryonic breath. So that is done through third eye here and here. So these are the three important points. Another important thing is the spinal cord. This connects everything, the spinal cord. So one important breathing we have is the spinal cord breathing. We take everything in through here. Breathe in, we take it through here, and we take it down through the Kundalini, same energy down here. This point in Qigong we call door of life. So we will do 2 or 3 movements we will do. So this is a very important point, door of life. And this is the cranium up here and the sacrum. And there is a fluid going up and down. It's a very important fluid. Everybody knows this fluid that goes up and down. So in Qigong, we can come into complete health with our mind. Even the Ayurveda doctor said yesterday, healing comes from within. So we are recreating. Any cell can be recreated through meditation, and we can bring energy smiling at our organs. That is the inner smile. We smile at our heart because we always try to smile at others. We smile, hello, we say, but we never look inside ourselves. So this meditation, if you like, we can practice 1 minute. So first we can go into the heart. Heart is here. So take your heart, and heart is. So before I start, always I say a prayer to the green Tara. Tara is the goddess Buddhism, green color. She is the goddess of healing. So the goddess, so we can hold the hands here. The men hold the right hand outside, women the left hand on the dantian. And the goddess of healing is the green Tara. Om Tare Tu Re Soha. Om Tare Tu Re Soha. Om Tare Tu Re Soha. So let us take our hands to the heart here, and the heart is the organ, the in organ. Imagine the heart inside our body always beating, working since our birth, and we are always full of, it is giving us love, joy, and happiness. So let us take some moment to appreciate our heart for all this work it has done. And it is coupled together with the small intestine. This is one couple, and the planet is Mars, and the color is red. So imagine a red light around your heart and say thank you. Feel the happiness. Smile at your heart for a moment, saying thank you for all the beautiful work it has been doing day and night. It is working. So let us take a moment to say thank you to our heart and smile. And imagine red light and fill it with the emotions of love, joy, and happiness. And any jealousy, hatred, the negative emotions, try to blow it out when you breathe out. So take a moment to breathe in the joy and breathe out any jealousy, any hatred we feel. Let it go. And smile at our heart. And next we go down to the spleen, pancreas, and the stomach. The color is yellow, and the planet is Saturn down here on the left side of our body. Spleen and pancreas is in charge of digestion and absorption. All the nutrients we eat gets absorbed here. Saturn is the planet, and the yellow light. Imagine yellow light here. And smile at your spleen and pancreas. Say thank you for all the beautiful work it has been doing. And the spleen and pancreas gets caught up in worry. If we worry about anybody, about our children, our relationship, any worries get caught. So let go of any worry. Feel the trust, the confidence, and say thank you to the spleen and pancreas on the left side. Now let us move to the right side. The liver, green light, Jupiter in charge of the liver, together with the gallbladder, and the element is wood element. Trees, whenever you look at a beautiful tree, imagine the trees, the wood and all can heal the liver. It is the largest organ in our body. So saying thank you for making all the enzymes for the digestion. Any frustration, anger gets caught in the liver. So let go of any frustration, any anger with the world, with ourselves, with our relationships. Let go and fill it with beautiful energy, positive thoughts. And green color is healing your liver. Then let us go to our lungs here on top. Then planet is Venus, white color. The season is autumn, time to shed any sadness, any grief we are holding from old relationships, from childhood. So let go, the time to let go. This autumn is the time to let go, and lungs is that connected with autumn. And the planet is Venus. Smile at your lungs for every breath you take. Every moment, all the organs are working continuously for us. White light, fill it with the white light. And then back we go to the kidneys behind. Blue light, Mercury is the planet in charge of your kidneys. Smile at the kidneys, in charge of excretion with the urinary bladder. Smile and say thank you to the kidneys for all the job they're doing for excretion. We are not doing anything consciously. All the organs are intelligent and they are working continuously. So be thankful. Let us appreciate them and smile at your kidneys. So we come back to the navel, that is the lower dantian, and we 1 minute sit in silence, and we are grateful to the universe, to our parents, grandparents, to our children, grandchildren, our friends, for all the experiences. Let us feel the gratitude in life.